Okay, everyone, welcome to the fourth video for the playlist where we are going to solve the fourth problem for the top interview 150 list on Leetcode. And the name of this problem is remove duplicate from sorted array 2. And this looks like a follow-up problem for the previous problem we solved, which was remove duplicates from sorted array. The follow-up here is that if the element repeats, then in the final array, we have to keep the element two times. So if the input array is given like 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, and 3, you see in the final array, we have all the repeating elements repeating twice. And then we want to return the number of elements in this type of array. So since this looks like a follow-up question, I'm going to reuse the code from my last submission, which is this. If you want to check out how we came up with this, please check the previous video, problem 3. But let's look at this and try to adjust our code so that we can solve this follow-up problem. Okay. So a very small change to this question follow-up is that if the element repeats, then we have to save it two times in the final array. Okay. So to check if the element is repeating or not, what we can do is we can create a Boolean variable, set it to false. And now we know that if we are going inside this loop, the element is repeating. So we just set is repeating to true. Now, the final part of the solution, where if it is repeating, then we copy the elements twice in the final array. So if is repeating is true, then we copy the element at the start. Then we also have to increase the start pointer by 1. So we do a start plus plus. And then finally we have to do it one more time, which is already happening here. So in case the element was not repeating, this will never run. And the problem remains the same problem where the element only occurs once in the array. So this will run. We can also do a shortcut for this where we are incrementing it in the same line. So the code looks more clean. And now if we try to run this code, let's see what happens. So we get an accepted for both the test cases. So let's try submitting it and see if our follow-up solution works. So as you can see, the solution is accepted. And this was the fourth problem. In the next video, we are going to solve the fifth problem from this top 150 interview problems list on Leetcode. Thank you for watching.